record. No, we're looking at the inside of the shop for the Pioneer Valley Railroad. What all the functions are here?
Okay, this is an older 24 RL brake stand.
Mm-hmm.
The automatic brake,
Yep.
independent brake, throttle, reverser,
Yep.
load meter, headlight control, radio,
Yep.
speed recorder, 2 duplex gauges,
Mhm.
one for brake pipe pressure, one for equalizing reservoir pressure.
Yep.
And then on the same gauge faces as well, there's main reservoir pressure as well as independent application.
Yep.
Here's your control buttons,
Yep.
your attendant call, your control
Mhm.
generator field, engine
Yep.
run, and then the assorted headlights
Yep.
and interior lights.
Well, these originally came from the Santa Fe.
Yes, that's correct.
Yep.
They're originally F7s and they were converted over in the early and later 70s.
Yep. You guys got air conditioning in these too?
2 of our units, the newer units have air conditioning. The
Yep.
older ones, they were removed.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Which is on the left side of the picture, and on the right is a brush cutter
Mhm.
tie handler combination. Basically, Pioneer Valley Railroad runs 4 CF7s,
yep.
and then we have 2 additional locomotives which are out of service currently, an SW1 and an Alco S3.
Yep. Do you know where those 2 other engines would be sitting?
Yeah, they're up by Agway. Agway's main distribution center up there.
Oh, okay. Tamper.
Yeah, that's the Tamper.
And then we got our brush cutter. Let's see here if I can get it. Excellent shot. Yep, perfect. Gotta give special thanks to the Pioneer Valley Railroad. Chuck, get out of the way. Down here. This is the one we got a still shot of in '87. What do you think, Chuck?
I like it.
You know that guy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Me and him are good friends.
Okay, I would recommend we just step down a hair more so we don't, scare these guys or anything. Hey, we gotta do that, Chuck. Get a release form. You see, you numbered the caboose right after the New Haven. So they got the one with the original number sitting down in Lenox.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Figured, if I asked you guys if you could give us a tour of the whole yard within how you guys work, would have been a little, better.
Well, what you gotta do is you gotta hit him. Like, even if you go down tomorrow, even tonight, and ask him sometime during, even tomorrow, or whatever close to both.
Yep.
Whatever works your work schedule. Talk to him.
Nice old car.
I think
Valley Railroad. You guys want to say anything? Rails across western Massachusetts.